Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and on this video we are going to learn how to make the elements of our table share rows and columns using the TablePress plugin. To do that, we need to go over to the left where it says TablePress. We are going to click on all tables and select the one we want to edit. Click on Edit button, and now we are going to the table content, and now as you can see, we have 5 rows and 5 columns, and it could be an issue if you want to edit the row that is selected as the header. So maybe you will need to have to deactivate the table row. You will need to have to deactivate the table row by unchecking this box right here. And now we are going back to the top, and we have the options to combine cells in a column and in a row. Now, if we click in a column, to combine cells within a column, click into the cell below the cell that has the content the combined cells shall have. So we are going to click on Accept, and we are going to click and then click under the header tree. There we are. Now we have a row span, and now to share the row, we need to click in a row, and to combine cells within a row, click into the cell to the right of the cell that has the content the combined cell shall have. So we click on Accept again, and we are going to click next to header tree. There we go. And now we are going to add another row span for the one below the former header 4. So now that is done, we are going to the button and click on Save Changes. There we go. Now we are going to take a look to the post where we have the table in. So we are going to click on the post, and then we are going to preview the page and click on Preview in a new tab. And as you can see, we have header 1, unit 1, and for header 3, it's occupying the space that header 4 will have, and the space that unit 3 and unit 4 should have, all for the content of header 3. So that's it. We have learned how to make the elements of our table share rows and columns using the TablePress plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the site. See you the next time on Paletech.